In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order tracking page on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean track your order page that pulls live tracking details right inside your store. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, open Online Store, then select Pages. This is where all your site pages live. Click Add Page in the top right. Give it a clear title like Track Your Order so customers instantly know what it does. On the left, make sure the visibility is set to visible so it's published. Then save your changes at the top. Next, we'll add the tracking functionality using an app. Click the search bar in your Shopify admin. In the drop-down, choose Apps, type Aftership, and press Enter. You'll be taken to the Shopify App Store. From the results, select Aftership Order Tracking, then click to install it. Follow the prompts to connect it to your store. This app will handle carrier detection and status updates for you, which saves a lot of manual work. Once installation completes, you'll land in the Aftership dashboard. On the left, under Aftership Tracking, choose Tracking Pages. In the top right, click Create Page. A pop-up will let you pick a template or start from scratch. Templates are a quick way to get a polished layout, and you can still personalize fonts, colors, and messaging to match your brand. With your tracking page created, you can click Edit in the top right to customize the look. Feel free to explore the styling options later. The key is that your page is now ready to embed in Shopify. Along the top, switch to the Embedding tab. Scroll until you find the option to embed using an iframe and copy the iframe code provided. This code displays the tracker inside your Shopify page without extra coding. Now return to Shopify. Go back to Online Store, then Pages, and open the Track Your Order page you created earlier. In the page editor, click the Show HTML icon in the Content toolbar. This toggles the editor into Code View. Paste the iframe code right into the content area. If you want a perfect fit, you can later adjust width and height values in the iframe to suit your theme. When you're done, click Save, either at the bottom right or near the top search bar. That's it. You've created a visible page, installed Aftership, generated a tracking layout, embedded it with an iframe, and saved it to your store. Test it by visiting the page from your storefront to confirm everything renders correctly on desktop and mobile.